welcome to this week's vlog. So for this week, lots of plans. I guess I'll start off with the Flying Fox. Flying Fox ready to go. I need to work on the wings for this week, so I'm gonna do like a little experiment on the wings, and then see how that turns out. So I've got the patterns done. I suppose I'll just paint the rest of the face black anyway, because the fur that I'm using will be dark. So yeah, there's a little head ready to go. Glossed the eyes, yeah, looking cute, and made the armature as well. So the wings are going to be wire armature, so yeah. The feet, I have to do paint again, because I decided to change the armature, because I'm using ball and socket armature now. So yeah, that's pretty much the plan for that for this week, is to sort of start finishing the Flying Fox, and if I can squeeze any shoe bill in, then yeah. Sort of been put on the back burner a little bit. But yeah, we'll get there, we'll get there. Been doing a little bit of work on the frog. Still a bit more refining to do. Made the head a little bit smaller, or I made some more characteristics, I guess. I still need to just work on the eye bit area and just little bits and pieces that need more refining. But yeah, we're getting there. I wanted a little chubby frog, so like a blob frog. So we're getting there. Pretty cute. So yeah, we're working on that in my spare. Waiting to hear back from the zoo, so I'm ready to send them an invoice. I just need them to the go ahead, I guess. So what I'm making are a bunch of different animals. So we're doing a king penguin chick. So that's like a 60 centimeter king penguin chick. So that'll be interesting. I haven't done a penguin before. I'm doing a bongo, so both an adult and a calf. I'm doing a pair of bongo horns, like replica horns. So that will be resin cast. So maybe the horns will become available in my shop as well, seeing as I have the mold. And I'm doing a sitatunga, which is like a little deer that's got some patterning on it. So that'd be cool. It would be a bit of a long process, because I think I'm going to hand sew the patterns in, because they're sort of an orangey rust colour, and then they've got white patterns, so I can't really paint the patterns in as easily as it would be a darker colour. And then doing a black-tailed prairie dog, so that's a life-sized one, which they're not very big anyway, so that's pretty simple, that one. And a black-footed ferret, so that's pretty simple again. But yeah, so they're the dolls that I'm doing. So a nice list, nice variety as well, and some critters that you might not have heard of. But yeah, we'll see what happens, because I need to order some fur, and it's coming from China, so don't know. It says it should be here by the end of September if I order it, which is okay, but we'll see. Luckily they're not on a deadline, considering what's going on. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of weeks or months or whatever. Yeah, big list. I think the horn's going to take me a little while, because I have to sculpt 2 of them. So anyway, I guess that's it for me. And yeah, I'll keep pottering along. I start with? Let's start with the frog. So, little frog. I'm just doing some more refining work on the frog. Bit more focus. There we go. So doing a little bit more refining work on the frog, and then I reckon it's just about finished. I'm gonna go over it with some isopropyl maestrate, so that makes it smooth. But yeah, still just refining more and more, just to make everything symmetrical, I guess. So yeah, we're getting there. Little froggy. So yeah, working on that. Got the claws ready for my flying fox. So yeah, I'm gonna post a couple of pictures up on my Patreon about the whole process of making these. That will be up at some point. And then just working on the flying fox. It's turning out, I know they have quite a large wingspan, but it's turning out quite large. So what I'm doing today is I will be painting, trying to finish off the wings and painting them. This is sort of a new technique that I'm trying out, which I think is working quite well. So I want to just finish off the tips of these ones, and what else? So it's getting to be pretty big. That's just that's just how big their wingspan are. So yeah, I'm going to be documenting the process of making the wings over on my Patreon as well, and then of course the rest of the doll will be up on my YouTube. So yeah, it's all a learning process. I did some test swatches of what different sort of materials that I used, so I think I'm going to go with this one, and like how durable they are. So I'm going to go with this one because I think it's turned out the best and the most durable, and it doesn't seem to peel off the material no matter how hard I've tried to get it. So that's always a good sign. This one that I tried before, you can see I could peel it off the material, so I'm not going to do that technique. But yeah, so I'm thinking I might make the wing into a tutorial to put in my shop, and yeah, for people to purchase and start making bat wings or dragon wings or whatever. But yeah, anyway, so I will continue on with my bat wings. Hey guys, I'm gonna end the vlog for this week, but I'll give you a little update. So first update on the flying fox. So I was working on the wings all week, so that pretty much took the time, I guess. But so we've got the wings here. They're pretty much finished. There's just a few little patches that I need to fill in, but yeah, so I filmed the entire process and I'll be putting that over on my Patreon in the coming weeks. That's the wings, that is. The rest of the process will be over on my YouTube for free. So yeah, this is what we've got for the wings. They're pretty flexible. I still need to add some little fur here, just to in reference to the reference photos that I have. yeah, they have a little bit of fur, but I'll do that once I do the body. So yeah, pretty much ready to start the body, and it shouldn't be far off finishing, but yeah, I mean, it'll be pretty cool when you can, you know, curl up the bat and hang it upside down. But yeah, so that's the plan for next week, well, the rest of this week, to finish the Flying Fox. I am preparing a whole bunch of eyes ready for sculpting for the zoo dolls. So I don't know how well you can see the eyes, but yeah, preparing eyes. This will be for the bongo. I don't know how well you can see. So you can see the little goat type eyes. So that'll be for the bongo. Interesting fact as well, doing King Penguin Chick, their pupils are squares, so that's really interesting. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, their pupils are square, so a little bit different from painting a circular pupil. Yeah, so got all of the eyes ready for the doll. I'm still refining the little frog. I think I'm just going to add a little bit more height, I think, to this. I think that's what's doing it. Is it's too thin here. That's what I'm not happy with, I think. So I will do that when I'm in between things. That's sort of a wind down. I should have printable going up soon, so I've got that done. I just need to get it ready and upload it onto my Patreon. And yeah, I ordered the faux fur for all of the dolls too. One's been sent and the other ones haven't been sent yet, so I'm hoping that we'll send them ASAP, because I know they'll take a little while to get here. So it's kind of a I guess that's the annoying thing about buying stuff from China, is that they take forever sometimes. So I don't know what goes on there. But anyway, yeah, so I'll leave it at that. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. We're getting a growing community over there. So if you want to join, I have the link in my description. You get access to a whole bunch of things. I just posted a whole bunch of work in progress pictures of the molding and casting of these Flying Fox hands. So yeah, that's the most recent thing that I posted up there, and it's available to all of my patrons. So yeah, otherwise you can check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and also my shop at creaturesofnat.com. There's a couple of things in there looking for homes. But anyway, I will catch you in the next one. Bye.